Arbitrage trading tutorial. So arbitrage is buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price on a decentralized platform. So tell me what amount you have and I'll guide you the best bot to start with, because we are trading arbitrage with arbitrage bots. So today I start my trade with 12,921,000 Kenyan shillings. That is equivalent to 101,000 USDTs. So let me refresh. Remember to comment. You might be able to get some free funding. So let me tell you on how to join my Telegram channel. So if you want to join my Telegram channel, just come to the bio, not in this video, obviously, in the where you are watching this one. Don't click on click here, then click on these three dashes. After clicking there, click open in browser here, and you will open my Telegram channel. So after joining, you will get free classes, of which this one is one of them. So we are starting arbitrage trading. After joining my classes, I'll teach you everything. We are trading with automated bots. So you come and fund your Ranquilly. Obviously, you can use Binance, you can use Bybit, you can use OKX, even Cash App. You can use it to fund your Ranquilly account. So make sure also your email and KYC is verified. Nothing should be in red. All should be in green. After that, you will come to arbitrage bots. They are here. So after depositing 100 USDTs, you will unlock all the bots for 100 USDTs. If you deposit 1,000 USDTs, you will unlock all bots for 1,000 and below. So that's how these bots work. So the bots should look like this after they have been unlocked, and we'll be trading. Wow, this one is making some amazing profits. This one is making some amazing profits, this bot. Let's trade with Flash Arbitrage Probot. It is trading at 1,000. 787. It has shifted 787, and maximum risk is 87. So it is making some good profit, and it is trading between Binance and Kraken, which the win rate is 464, where the pair is BTC stroke Ethereum, running for only 5 minutes. So we'll be running this bot for only 5 minutes, and we'll do the minimum today, where we'll be expecting 1,575. And the worst case, if we hit a loss, it will be 174. So we just deploy our bot because it is automated bot, and you can see we will receive 1,401. And because the time is limited, because the time is what we can wait, we'll wait until the profit is distributed. So let me take you to my wallet. We check the balance right now. It is this one, and after trading, I'll show you. After the trade is complete, I will show you. So let me copy my Binance address so that I can make a withdrawal, and you check that everything works perfectly. So I wanted you to check my balance. It is 12,921, and we want to make a withdrawal of 500 USDTs. That is around 60 something Kenyan shillings. You will check after the withdrawal has been approved. Let's make 502 USDTs withdrawal. After trading arbitrage trading, we confirm, then we wait. It takes around 15 minutes, some cases 2 minutes, some cases 1 minute to be approved. So let's wait and check on our Binance. The balance that we check will change. And in arbitrage bots, the bot is at 34%, 35%. It is doing great. You can check the logs here. So let's wait for the withdrawal to be received in our Binance. So here the profit we made is around 1,200, which is not bad. To risk 200 and you get 1,400, and you withdraw immediately. So let's wait. So our trade is almost there. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and boom. Settling. The trade is settling. The trade is done. You can see Let's check it here on history. Here it is, and we go and check on our balance, on our wallet balance. It should have changed right now. You can see there, I think it has changed. I didn't check the last balance, but we can check on transaction history, not trading bots, but transaction history, and we see everything, the profits here, the profits, and our withdrawal was approved. Actually, almost forgot to tell you. You can see 502, and let me show you the date and time. You can check there, 24, took around 5 minutes, and we check in our Binance. You can see it changed, I guess. I think it changed. Yeah, I don't remember the balance we had last time. Let me show you here. You can see there 12,985,000. So we are there making profits. If you haven't joined, make sure you join now, my guys. Let's make some profits.